Opening scene. Background music, uplifting and epic. Opening shot, a dynamic landscape transitioning from traditional finance to blockchain realms. Narrator, in the ever-evolving landscape of decentralized finance, a groundbreaking force is reshaping the financial horizon. Real-world asset, RWA, tokenization. At the forefront of this revolution stands Credo, a platform with a pivotal role in seamlessly integrating RWAs into the decentralized world. Scene 1. Overview of global financial assets. Visual, charts and graphs, displaying global financial assets value. Narrator. Picture this: the global financial assets value, a staggering $510 trillion. Yet in the realm of DeFi, it's merely under 0.01%. Credo, however, is set to change this narrative. Scene 2, challenges of RWA tokenization. Visual, animated challenges, regulatory compliance, interoperability, secure and scalable infrastructure. Narrator, RWA tokenization, the process of transforming tangible assets like real estate and commodities into digital tokens, faces challenges. But fear not. Blockchain technology, with its transparency and smart contract capabilities, is the answer. Scene 3, Credo's revolutionary infrastructure. Visual, futuristic animations of Credo's architecture. Narrator, enter Credo, a revolutionary platform designed to simplify and secure RWA tokenization. At its core is the distributed multi-party computation, DMPC technology, ensuring the secure custody of digital assets. Scene 4, Credo's impactful partnerships. Visual, collaborative logos of Maple Finance, Avalanche, Spruce Subnet, and Bitbond. Narrator, Credo's impact extends through strategic partnerships, from Maple Finance tokenizing loans to Avalanche, Spruce Subnet optimizing RWA processes, and Bitbond fostering a secure link between traditional finance and blockchain. On 5, the journey towards RWA. Tokenization. Visual, a journey timeline, progressing through stages. Narrator, the journey toward RWA tokenization, as outlined by Sergei Nazarov, involves 3 stages, from custody to tokenizing real-world assets and beyond. Credo is the cornerstone. Scene 6, Credo's unique value proposition. Visual, infographics showcasing Credo's cross-chain custody infrastructure. Narrator, Credo's unique value proposition lies in solving the custody challenge. Its cross-chain custody infrastructure distinguishes it, offering a secure bridge between physical and digital finance realms. Scene 7, the future unveiled. Visual, futuristic cityscape representing the convergence of physical and digital realms. Narrator, as the financial landscape evolves, Credo emerges as the infrastructure enabler, steering innovation and unlocking the true potential of real-world assets on the blockchain. Closing scene. Visual, a futuristic city with skyscrapers and a blue and purple light shining as the sun with a white cube in the center of this sun. Narrator, Credo, a platform not just witnessing but actively driving the radical transformation of the financial landscape. A future where decentralized assets are seamlessly managed and transacted. The network is the vault. Background music fades out.